Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty products. Today, we're talking about the best hair glue for wigs, the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit. If you're looking for a strong, waterproof hold for your lace front wigs or hair systems, this kit is an absolute game changer. This lace wig glue kit includes everything you need for a flawless wig installation. Inside the box, you'll find a bottle of lace glue, a lace glue remover, a hair wax stick, an edge control gel, and lace melting bands. This complete kit is designed to provide you with everything you need for a smooth and seamless wig install. What makes this glue stand out is its extreme hold and non-toxic formula. It's latex-free, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or scalps. Plus, it's water-based, ensuring a strong, long-lasting bond that won't damage your scalp or edges. The glue goes on white, but dries clear, leaving behind an invisible bond that blends seamlessly into your skin, creating a natural look. Whether you're wearing a wig for everyday use or a special event, this glue ensures your wig stays put all day long, even through sweat or rain. Applying the glue is easy. Just gently clean the skin with alcohol or soapy water, apply 2 to 4 layers of the glue, and allow it to dry clear between each layer. Then, press your lace front onto the glue and dry it with a cool hairdryer. For removal, simply use the Dolahair Lace Glue Remover. Apply it to the glued areas, wait for about 30 seconds, and rinse it off. One key tip for achieving the perfect lace melt is to allow the glue to dry most of the way before applying the lace melting band. This will give you a flawless finish with no white residue and a seamless blend. So if you're tired of your wig slipping, shifting, or causing discomfort, the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit is the solution you've been waiting for. With its strong, waterproof hold, safe ingredients, and easy application, this is truly the best hair glue for wigs on the market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty product reviews from Product Critique.